Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Steam file privileges missing. Chapter 1. Restart Steam. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. After this, locate the Steam processes. When selecting them, click End Task to close them. After that, enter Steam in the search box, open the application. Chapter 2. Run Steam as administrator. To start, enter Steam in the search box. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes to access. Steam will open without problems. Chapter 3. Clear Steam cache. To start, open the Steam application. After that, click on the Steam menu and click on Settings. Then go to the Download section. Here, click on Clear Cache. You must click Confirm and wait for Steam to restart. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. Repair Steam library. We start by opening Steam. Next, we will click on Parameters and then on Storage. Here we select the storage unit with free space that we want to use. Then we click on the 3 dots that appear and choose Repair Library. We will wait for the repair process to complete. Chapter 5. Repair game integrity on Steam. We start by entering our library. Next, we go to the game that has the error and right-click on it to choose the Properties option. Then we enter the Installed Files option and then the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. We wait for the repairs to be made. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.